Hello. On this occasion, I'd like to presenting to you explanation of simple present tense with me, Kevin Cahyadi Kurniawan. Simple present tense is tenses which usually used for an event that happens at the moment or an event that happens repeatedly. Next, simple present tense formula. To form simple present tense, sentence usually uses basic verb, except for third person pronouns, which uses verb 1 plus s or es, like shown this table below. You can see at the table, the subject in table 1 is I, you, they, we, and the verb is go. And the rest of the sentence is to the school by bus. And you can see in the table N2, it is he, she, it, and the verb is go plus es to be goes, and the rest of the sentence is to the school by bus. The first spelling from the third person, like he, she, it, depends on it verb suffixes. You can see at this presentation. For the example, for first ending in o, ch, sh, y, or z, at es. For example, is go. You can add es, must be goes. And you can see if the example is catch, you can add es and must be catch. And you can see for the example is wash, you can add es, must be washes. Next, for verbs ending in consonant y, just remove y and add is. For the example is uh, the sentence of carry, remove the consonant y and you must add is, must be carries. And for the example sentence is study, you must remove consonant y and remove add is, must be studies. Meanwhile, for verbs ending in vowel y, just add s. For the example is play, you must add s, must be plays. And say, you must add s, must be says. Uh, Next, for example of simple present tense sentence. First, simple present tense to show recurring events that occur at this time. You can see for example, I have example to sentence. You can see in the example, like example 1, I take the motorcycle to the office. Why must take I underboard in here? Because the indication in the sentence is text, which is a verb 1. And next, for the simple present tense to show a fact, you can see the example, like I have to example in here, like a snake has no legs. Why I underline the has? Because the indication in this sentence is has, which is a to be. And next, simple present tense to show a habit. You can see at this example, I have the example and I want to pick one, like John takes a bath twice a day. Why I underline this text? Because the indication in the sentence is text. This is a verb 1. Next, kind of sentence, simple present tense. You can see we have three simple present tense. Must be a simple tense affirmative. And the formula is subject, verb 1, plus basic verb or to be is am, are, and plus object. And for simple present tense negative, the formula is subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb 1 and plus object. If the verb is to be, then the formula becomes subject plus is or am or are and plus not and plus object. And the formula for simple present tense interrogative, the formula is do, or does, plus subject plus verb 1 and plus object. And next, okay, in this end of the section, I want to presenting to you, and thank you very much for watching for me. Thank you.